Hello, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. Had your tea, coffee, all fresh? Are still sleeping?
No, Shekhar.
No.
Okay. So till yesterday, we covered title search introduction basics and also US real estate basics, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Today we'll be starting with deeds. All right. Is there any confusion in the past topics, or you want more clarity, or are you all clear?
Clear, Shekhar.
Clear
Clear.
second.
Okay, fine. So we'll be starting with deeds today. For that, I'll share my screen. Give me a few minutes. I'm just opening the document. Give me a minute. Please confirm me if the screen is visible.
Not visible. No.
Yeah, I'm sharing it
Yes.
now.
Yes.
Is
No.
it visible?
Yeah, it's visible. Yes.
Okay. So we are starting with deed. This is an first step in title search to start begin our search. Okay, so basically, what do you understand by the word deed? Any idea?
Deed is a legal document where you can transfer the property.
Transfer the property or ownership of the property?
Ownership of the
Ownership of
property.
the
One person to another person.
Yeah, here basically they are transferring their ownership. You can tell that deed is a legal document which transfers the ownership of the property from one person to another person. I'll just click here. another. Always remember when you're answering that this ownership shouldn't be missed. The property can be transferred in many of the ways, but we are transferring the ownership. The completely we are selling the grantor is selling his property to the other person. So the ownership itself will be transferred here. You remember, I have explained you about full value deed, FED, the last class. Remember? Huh?
Yes.
So
Yes.
what are the
Yes, sure.
criteria to consider full value deed, FED?
So it's like a X to Y transaction.
Okay.
And last name should doesn't match.
No, not within the family.
Yes. Then see, it is above only. We have discussed in the last class. There are 5 criteria, okay, to consider whether it is a proper deed to start. That we will be starting the search with the deed only. Okay, from the property index. Property index is nothing but which tells the documents can be pulled regarding property. It is a property index. When we are doing a name search, it is a general index. General index is nothing but it is on the person. If he committed any crimes or he is under liability, in those cases, we have to find whether he is involved in any money matters. So regarding that, we will do a general index, that is GI search, and PI search is nothing but property index search, which which will explain which will help us to find the property details. Where in order to find all the searches, the deed is very important. Where if it is a 2 on a search, we are gonna find 2 deeds. Both should be a full value deed. That full value deed, there are 5 criterias. That is, it should be insured one. It should be insured by any of the title insurance company. Okay. Always don't forget this, because I think this is the 3rd time I'm telling about full value deed. So this is also one of the interview question. Like, this is very important. If you don't know this concept, then it will be really difficult to process a order. So always it should mind that it should be a insured document by the any of the insurance company, and it should be a warranty deed. And now I'm gonna tell you why it should be a warranty deed. Okay, and the value should be there, the sales value, or it can be called as computed value, or one more word is that I'll tell you that if I see the document.
Consideration
And
amount.
sorry.
Consideration amount.
Yeah, consideration amount. Thank you for telling me that. Yeah, and it should be a X to Y transaction. Like, it shouldn't be within the family, and the deed or the document should contain a legal description. If it falls under all this category, it is a proper full value deed. So that you can start your search from here, and then you can go behind. Okay, clear?
Clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Now tell me, what is FED? We'll go from Damini.
It is X to a transaction and warranty deed. It should be insured and computed value is there, and legal description and signing part also. We have to
Okay.
check.
Adish, you?
It's a X2Y transaction. It should be insured by the insurance company, and it's a warranty deed, and it has consideration value and legal description, and the last name should not match.
And you, Ravi?
Yeah, it is X2Y transaction and the insure the date and the warranty.
Okay. So when the interviewer asks you what you know about, tell about FVD. So you have to tell your answers like FVD stands for full value date. That you should mention. FVD full value date. In case if he asks like what is full value date, in that time you can tell that full value date is a date where it must contain 5 criteria. That is, it must be insured and it must be a you should tell that it must be because it should be there. It is like condition. Okay, it must be a insured deed and it must have a proper legal description and it should be a X to Y transaction and I'm not getting that word. Consideration value must be there and also um, what is it? I missed one thing, right?
Legal
Fundamental
description.
document,
Sorry?
legal description.
Legal
Yes.
description.
So now you're clear, like what are the 5 criteria that needs to be seen in order to proceed with our search, right? Insured, warranty
Yes.
deed, X to Y transaction, and consideration value, legal description. And also, while working on, we have to check in all the documents, not only in the deed, on devotee and any sub or is that related documents of devotee, we have to check the signing part. The person who transfers or who accepts their signing should be there. Otherwise, it is a questionable one, and we have to intimate that the signing part is different, which means that maybe they are not the right person who's transferring the ownership. Okay, so these are the 5 criteria, and deed is a legal document that transfers the ownership. And in order to begin with the search, we'll be starting with the deed. For that, we have 5 criteria to consider, and then we have different types of deeds. Any idea like what kind of types deeds will be there? As I told you already, it is a warranty deed,
Warranty.
right? Warranty deed.
Claim deed.
Yeah. You know it or you're just checking the info and telling?
What?
Tamil?
Shakuntala? Yeah, I know.
You know that, you know, right?
Yes.
Okay, then it's good. And we have a special warranty deed. And any, you said quitclaim deed, right?
Yes.
And interspousal
Disclaimer
deed.
deed.
Sorry?
Yes. Disclaimer deed.
Disclaimer deed.
Foreclosure deed.
Okay. Then
Mm.
interspousal deed.
Yes.
Trust and trust history.
What is that? Trust deed. Then trustee's deed. Correct? Anything else?
Yesterday, Sheriff's Day.
Sorry? Sheriff's
Sheriff's
deed. Then
Tax Day.
okay, then that's all.
Outside deed.
Life estate deed. Ladybird deed. See, we have so many types of deed. You said trustee's deed, right? Trustee's deed is also known as foreclosure deed. For this, we have a separate procedure, and I'll explain you that at the end. Before these are all, it is what is it? From trust deed is nothing but a deed of trust. So that is not a deed. It is a deed of trust. Deed of trust is also known as a trust deed. When it comes to trustee's deed, it is a foreclosure deed. It is a deed. Okay. Always there will be a confusion for trust deed and trustee's deed. So when you get a trust deed, it is a deed of trust. When it is a trustee's deed, it is a foreclosure deed. Okay. So warranty deed. Warranty deed means what? Now you were telling all types of deeds, right? Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you mean by warranty deed? Why the deed is recording?
So-
I told you, no, it is transferring the ownership. So warranty means what? Guarantee, warranty.
Yes.
It was protection of property.
Warranty we know, right? Like we are guaranteeing. Say suppose we are buying a property. The shopkeeper will tell that so many years of warranty is there on this product, right? The same way, when a warranty deed is recorded, which means that the seller, the grantor, is telling that he is transferring the ownership of the property with the legal guarantees. There is a legal guarantee where if something goes wrong, he can go to court and claim for it. So the seller granting that, the grantor is stating that I'm selling the ownership of my property with legal guarantee, um, which is valid till the full warranties. Like if we are processing for 40 years of search or 60 years of search, till that time there will not be any issues. If you find any misses in the future, I'm guaranteed that nobody will come and question that this belongs to some other, because I'm responsible that in future you won't find any issues. Kind of guarantee he will be given by the grantor. So you can tell this like a warranty means the grantor transfers the ownership of the property with legal guarantees, which gives the full protection for the title. Okay.
Okay.
Understood? So
Yes.
warranty
Yes.
deed means, can you please repeat what I said now? Warranty deed means what? I just want to understand whether it is understood or not. Warranty deed means what? Not understood?
Guarantee.
It gives guarantee.
Tell me, Damini, what you understood. What is warranty deed?
Warranted it means the person transferred to the ownership
Which
to the
person?
other person.
You
The
shouldn't tell
grantor.
person.
Grantor.
Yeah.
Grantor.
Hmm.
Grantor
Okay.
transfers the ownership of the property to the grantee with the guarantee.
with legal documents.
Okay. Adesh, would you like to answer for this? What is warranty deed?
So warranty deed means the grantor gives the warranty towards the property to give the all the rights of the ownership to the grantee.
You see, you can tell in a simple way that warranty deed means the grantor or the seller transfers ownership of the property with legal guarantee, which provides full protection. There will not be any it is a guarantee for the past documents, like if in case the buyer he is facing some issues, and like the property doesn't belongs to the person he has brought from. So in future, if something comes like that, this grantor will tell that there will not be any issues like that, because he has already checked the previous one. So he is 100% confident that there is no issues at all in this. In case if you find any issues, you can claim like that. So when the warranty deed is recorded, we are confident that there are no issues on the property in future. Okay. And this protection can be, and it can go, it is like a full search. We know, right? We work for full search order, current owner search, and two owner search. So when the warranty deed recorded, it is a like a full time. There is no limited years and all the guarantee is for. Understood, right? It provides a
Yes.
full protection. Okay, there will not be any future issues arise when the warranty date records. But wherein it comes to special warranty date, special means always it will be like extra thing which will be added, right? But wherein in the deed, special warranty date means he'll be just giving a guarantee for two owners only. See, warranty deed, it goes till 60 years, or till from the developer date when it started. Yeah, that also I'll just add here. These are these deeds also one of the type where mostly we work in full search. Okay, warranty deed, which means it gives protection. This is also a all the deeds transfers ownership. Okay, and this the little criteria changes when it comes to special warranty deed. It is like only the two deeds. Suppose X to Y transfers. Buyer Y is the buyer. Okay, in 2005. A to X. Prior owners in 2001. So when special warranty deed recorded, see here from Q is a seller, grantor, to A is a grantee who acquired title in 1995. And then this may be a warranty deed. I'll just give like a WD warranty deed. And then here it comes to from A to X. They are the prior owners and which is recorded in 2001. And then from X to Y, Y is the current owner vesting. Okay, so here when the special warranty deed recorded, the guarantee will be from 2001 to 2005 only. If in case something had happened before 2001, the seller will not be responsible for that. So it gives a limited guarantee. Wherein in warranty deed, it gives a full protection. Wherein for special warranty deed, it gives a limited protection only until the two owners. Prior to our vesting deed, whatever the deed is there, till there only the protection. In above prior to 2001, whatever happens, he will not be the responsible. The person who transfers A, right? A will not be responsible for any defects happens before 2001. Understood?
Yes, second.
Yes.
Any confusion here?
Will you explain one
Like
more time?
only
Shubha?
last
Sure, sure. I will explain. A special warranty deed means here also the grantor transfers the ownership of the property with limited guarantee. Limited guarantee means it's like two owners search. He will not give a guarantee for 40 years or 60 years, whatever it is, like full search. He is giving a guarantee only for the two owners, up to two owners only. Like our current vesting will be in 2026, right? Suppose Damini is gonna purchase property from Ravi. Okay, and the contracts between Ravi and Damini will be there, and Ravi has already purchased property from Adesh. Okay, so here Ravi tells that until Adesh, whatever the property has been purchased, I'm guaranteed there will not be any issues. And from whom the Adesh has purchased, if there are any issues in that, and he will not be the guarantee. So there is a limited guarantee until two owners. I'm guaranteed there is no issues on the property. It is a limited guarantee. Okay,
Okay.
clear? Huh?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Shubham.
Can I know like what you have understood this? Damini, can you please
Yes, Shubham.
explain me?
Yes. Special warranty deed means the limited guarantee. The only about two owners. They give legal guarantee.
Could you please phrase a sentence again?
Special warranty deed means the the legal guarantee provide the only about two owners.
Adish, you?
Special warranty deed means the grantor or seller transfer the ownership of the property with the limited legal guarantee, like two owners. Before the two owners only, they will guarantee. Before on that, previously, we don't guarantee about the property and ownership.
Oh, okay, Ravi, you? You?
Yeah. Special warranty means the guarantor sells transfer to ownership of property to grantee. The guarantor is not guaranteed after sell the property. Like example,
Okay. So, Damini, can you please tell me what is the difference between warranty deed and special warranty deed?
Warranty deed means the grantor transfers the ownership of the property with guarantee which provides full protection. But
Okay.
special warranty deed gives the limited guarantee to the owners to transfer the
Correct.
ownership of the property.
So that is the basic understanding about the special warranty deed and the warranty deed. Warranty deed here also they transfers the ownership of the property where they'll give a full protection. Okay, and they are saying that there will not be any issues in the future regarding ownership. And when it comes to special warranty deed, which means that they are transferring the ownership of the property with a limited legal guarantee, that only it applies for two owners such. Okay, it is simple as that. Clear, right? Let's move on to quitclaim deed. Quitclaim deed, which will happen between husband and wife. Okay, if the property has been acquired by husband and wife. Tell some last name, Kennedy. Okay, this will be our vesting. Means the prior document, they'll be the owners. Mark Kennedy and Maria Kennedy, husband and wife, which is recorded in 2010. And in 2011, there is a quitclaim deed, QCD. Quitclaim deed, which is recorded in 2011, where we can find Mark Kennedy, husband, a unmarried man is a grantor here. He is giving the property to okay. This happens. Unmarried, which means divorced. A single man is single, not at married. Unmarried means is a divorced. So when you find QCD, which means that they both are divorced, it is easy to identify. If suppose you don't have a QCD, but in the other deed we are just finding here. One second. It is not a QCD. You can tell it is a warranty deed where Mark Kennedy is not here. Instead of that, see, I'll just remove this. See, you have a deed here. It is a quitclaim deed. Sorry, I'm not telling this. You have a deed in 2010 where the property is acquired by Mark Kennedy and Maria Kennedy, husband and wife as joint tenants in 2010. And after that, we have found a deed which is there in 2012, where here Anthony Williams, a single man, is granting the property to Maria Kennedy, an unmarried woman. Okay, but what can you find here? You're able to find anything here? Any suspicious? Huh?
In 2010,
Like after divorce.
in 2012, it is
Sorry?
2012, it is unmarried woman.
Here unmarried women is there. And what else you are able to find here in 2012?
Two different parties.
There are two different
Yeah, Anthony Williams.
parties. So this can be considered as a full value deed. For that criteria, it is fine. But what else you are finding here?
Here, Maria Kennedy is
Divorce.
an unmarried woman, but in 2008, Maria Kennedy is married.
Married
In
women.
the place of Mark Kennedy, so Anthony Williams.
So yes, so instead of Mark Kennedy, here we are finding a Anthony Williams, which means that here Mark Kennedy is lost here. We need information about Mark Kennedy. Suppose I'm buying a property. I and my husband is the owner, and that property it belongs to here 50-50%. Both are having a interest of ownership with 50% each. Okay, but when you see here, Maria Kennedy is acquiring the property. She is having only 50%, but wherein the Mark Antony has 50% here, where the 50% of the ownership is missing. So what you have to do is from 2010 to 2012, there is something is missing. Here you can find a keyword. She is an unmarried woman. means that they are divorced. When they are divorced, the Mark Kennedy interest also supposed to be transferred to Maria Kennedy. In case, uh, in that case, a quitclaim deed should be recorded. In case the quitclaim deed is not recorded, a divorce copy needs to be recorded. So what we find, we'll try to find in the court records that whether any divorce documents are recorded or not. In these cases, okay, in this case, we check for divorce or quitclaim deed. This quitclaim deed can be found from the Netro Online. Like a recorder search will be there in the Netro Online, where we can find a quitclaim deed. Why the Mark Kennedy is missing? In case we don't find a divorce or quitclaim deed, in that case you have to give a note in the write up. I told you, no, like we are preparing the write up. In that write up, you have to give that Mark Kennedy interest is missing. And you have to mention the year there into that instrument number. I have already informed you the date and dated date, recording date, instrument number, all those information we have to give, dated date, recording date, spoken page, instrument number. Along with this, we are giving that interest. Missing. Kind of, there is a proper phrase for that. When we are preparing a write-up, I will tell you that. So kind of note we have to give so that the client will also be see, and also whoever is keying, the examiner, whoever is keying, they will also add this comment so that they will also check once again. But wherein for quitclaim deed, this is like when the quitclaim deed doesn't record. In that case, we have to check for divorce quitclaim deed, and in case we don't find that, then we have to give a notation that there is no deed found from Mark Kennedy. So please check, please review, like that we will keep. But in wherein this. This is an exception. The quitclaim deed means already a deed will be recorded, like in 2011. It is a smooth transaction. No need to check divorce or anything. When you have a deed, QCD, in 2011, it is a proper that 100% what is it? Is a grantor. Here, Maria Kennedy will be having a 100% ownership. Here, Mark Kennedy is 50% and Maria's 50%. It is 100%. Ownership will be acquired by the Maria, and now she can transfer the property. In case if this is not there, then we have to follow the divorces amount. So quitclaim deed, we can tell in a simple way that with understanding what can you please explain me like how we can tell what is quitclaim deed?
It should be between the married husband and wife. And
Claim deed means the parties will be husband and wife whose ownership remaining 50% transfers to that grantee.
And Ravi, can you please tell me?
Yeah, quitclaim deed is nothing but Mark Candy have 50% of property and Maria Candy 50% of property. After 2011, Maria Candy transferred 50% to Maria,
Okay.
but they
You see, when I was telling you, full value deed, it must contain warranty deed. When we have this quitclaim deed, we shouldn't start from this deed. Why? Because it never guarantee the legal ownership because it happens between the families. Right. So now the Mark Kennedy is transferring the property to wife Maria, but later on the Maria can give the property to Mark Kennedy or their family members, the son, daughters, whoever it is, that will go within the family. If it is an husband and wife, a divorce or settlement, those things will be recorded. So when those cases are there, the legal hires, hireship documents are recorded. In those cases and all, we are not considering that as a full value deed, a warranty deed. Okay, that's the reason quitclaim deed we are not considering since it is interfamily transactions. So quitclaim deed, you can say that it is a deed transfers ownership with no legal guarantee. Here it is no legal guarantee. And it happens within the family. Okay, simple. It is a deed transfers the ownership with no legal guarantee and it happens within the family. And these are the examples I have given you. Any confusion?
No, Shakuntala. Sorry,
Yeah, right.
Shakuntala. I'm getting. Excuse me, Shakuntala.
Tell me.
Getting continuously calls from my manager.
You're getting?
So, continuous calls from my manager. Present, I'm in office.
Okay. So you wanna quit?
Yes.
Okay
I'll
then.
take a note from Ravi.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, thank you.
Shakuntala,
Thank you. Ha, Ravi?
quitclaim deed means there is no warranty or guarantee, right?
Yeah, there is no warranty, no guarantee. No legal guarantee I have given here.
Yes.
So because it happens with the family, right? So they cannot guarantee. And whenever they want, they can take back. Whenever they want, they can give back. So it happens like a mutual understanding.
Okay.
But whatever happens, maybe in our India, we won't follow the documents and all. We'll just tell that you keep it. But wherein in US, it is everything needs to be documented. Whatever the single document that we want to acquire, whatever the property that we have to acquire, that will be filed in the public records, which is maintained by the government. Okay, so that's the reason quitclaim deed is recorded where it is happening within the family. It's not only the husband and wife. I'm just given an example here. Family members means it can anyone. It can be anyone, but usually we have seen it is husband and wife. Okay,
Okay.
Damini, clear?
Okay. Yes, clear, sir.
Okay. So we have covered warranty deed, special warranty deed, quitclaim deed. I'll just tell in a quick that warranty deed which gives 100% protection, guarantee it gives 100% protection, that stating that there will not be any issues in the future. And special warranty deed, it gives a limited guarantee that up to 2 owners only. And quitclaim deed, it happens within the family members and which doesn't give any legal guarantee. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now it is interspousal deed. Interspousal deed. Here it is also the same, where mainly it happens between the husband and wife only. Quitclaim deed, it can be anyone, like a brother and sister, a grandmother, grandparents, like that. It can be anyone. But spousal deed is there, na? Interspousal deed, it's mainly happen between husband and wife. It is also the same thing. It never guarantees the legal ownership. Okay.
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 Confusion there. Damini, yeah, you want more clarification on that interspousal deed, or it is understandable?
Yeah, it is understandable.
Okay. One minute. I'll just show you the document of warranty deed and special warranty deed, how it looks.
Okay.
Is my screen visible? I'm showing the other document.
No, sir.
No.
Deed is not visible. Okay, 1 minute. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir. No, it is.
Yes.
Is it visible? Okay.
Yes, it's
Actually, since Adesh is not, sorry. What, Damini?
nothing, Shakuntala.
Okay, since Adesh is not there now, I'll not, another 5 more minutes is there. So I'm not starting the new topic. I'm just showing you the document. Okay, I have not got the quitclaim deed document, but I have a warranty deed. It is a general warranty deed. General warranty deed or warranty deed is one and the same, and the document looks like this. Okay, and the document itself states that it is a general warranty deed, and here we are checking all those things. Last class also I have showed the same deed, and here dated date and signing part, the grantor signing part and grantee signing part will be there. And here recording, see, this is a special warranty deed. So the document itself, they will mention whether it is a warranty deed or special warranty deed, whether it is a quitclaim deed, interspousal deed, like that. Okay.
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 Have you made a note for the classes that I have taken today?
Yes.
Okay, see, quitclaim deed in a short, it is, I have explained you here, like it happens between the family members, divorce settlements, or if they want to remove the person currently, and they later in future they may add them. It can be for removing or adding the spouses. For that, quitclaim deed is recorded. Okay, like the docket search and all, I will show you tomorrow, like how to do, because I'll just start again with the quit claim deed, and for the docket search, how we have to do that, I will show you tomorrow, and this probate and all, how to check divorce and probate. Okay. And
Okay.
if you made a note, no, I just add this too. Trustee's deed or foreclosure deed is also known as trustee's deed upon sale. So tomorrow we'll discuss about these deeds, and then we'll start try to find how to use the name search and to find the deeds and all in it online. Fine.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. If you have any doubts, clarification is required, please tell me so that I'll try to clarify the doubts. Any clarification required, or you're clear with what I explained till now?
Yes, clear.
Okay. So before we start, I'll be starting with the questions only, like what you have understood till now, so that you'll be in a track, you'll not miss out, because it is all like interrelated. Once you learn one concept, that will link to the other one. So tomorrow we'll be completing with the deed section, then we'll start with the deed of trust. All right.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
then can we wind up for today? Or anything you would
Your
like to
voice is
ask? Sorry?
your voice is not clear, Shakun.
Now is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah, I was asking, can we wind up today, or would you like to ask anything else?
Nothing.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll be starting with the interspousal deed from tomorrow, and we'll be closing all deed part tomorrow. Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
thanks a lot for joining the session. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Thank you, Shakun.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.